Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Where you from?
United States.
Yeah?
Yeah, US.
Oh, you right there.
Yeah. Where are you from? Vietnam?
From Vietnam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, man. I like Vietnam.
Oh, the first time in Vietnam?
Yeah, first time Vietnam, but Thailand and Japan and Indonesia. I traveled Southeast Asia.
Oh,
But I like Vietnam. 60 days. Really.
yeah. How long?
60 days.
60 days.
60 days. 2 months.
Oh, yeah, too much, yeah, long time. Yeah.
Yeah, great. What do you think?
You travel Vietnam only time.
Yeah, Vietnam and then maybe back to I studied Vietnam. Martial arts I studied it. You know martial arts? Bali, Muay Thai boxing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I study here in Vietnam.
Yeah. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris.
Yeah, what's your
Song.
song?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How long you been a barber?
3 years.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
I love barbers.
Oh?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Barbers, tattooers. Very cool.
Very nice. I saw it. Tattoo is beautiful.
Yeah.
I love tattoo.
Hairstylists, I think it's cool. I like artists.
Yeah. I like tattoo, but my mom no like.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, my mom.
too.
Yeah, my mom don't like. Yeah.
Yeah. Listen to mom. It's good. Make your mother happy. It's good.
Do you like play soccer?
Yeah. Soccer's good. Yeah, it's good. FIFA this year was in the United States, big tournament.
Yeah. You know Manchester?
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, my big fan.
Big deal.
Yeah. How much for haircut in US?
In the U.S.,
Yeah.
my barber,
Yeah.
15 American, 15
$15.
$15.
Oh, too much.
Well, that's
Yeah.
pretty cheap in America.
Oh.
Some people, my wife's haircut,
Oh, my wife?
no, my wife
Oh.
in America,
Yeah.
120 US.
Oh.
Yeah.
Too much.
Too expensive.
Yeah, too much.
It's too expensive. But she's beautiful, so it's okay.
Yeah.
Did you go to school to learn to haircut hair?
Yeah?
You studied haircutting?
No.
Practice. For you to be a barber,
Yeah.
you go to school.
I don't know. Sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Uh,
I'm sorry.
Beach?
Yeah, the beach.
Swim.
Swim, yeah.
Yeah.
No surf? You know, surf.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Good.
Yeah. I like it,
Yeah,
but
good.
no time. I work in.
Money.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah. Oh, handsome. No, 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 no. Not finished.
Okay.
After sample.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, handsome.
Yeah. 20 years younger.
I think 30 years old. Yeah.
That's good.
Sure.